So in this exercise, we're going to investigate the ways in which we may use self-criticism as a motivator and think about whether or not it's actually helpful to do so. So this is a writing exercise, and so I'll ask you to pull up the Word document associated with these exercises and locate by the title, Self-Criticism as a Motivator, is it really helpful? And once you've done that, you can pull it up and I can kind of walk you through each of the steps to this exercise one at a time. So to start with, jot down a trait that you criticize yourself for having because you think being hard on yourself will help you change. You can take a moment now to pause the video and resume once you've identified a trait. So now just notice the emotional pain that your self-criticism causes and offer yourself some compassion for the experience of feeling so judged. Next, see if you can think of a kinder, more caring way to motivate yourself to make a change if needed. What language would a wise and nurturing friend or mentor use to gently point out how your behavior is unproductive while simultaneously encouraging you to do something different? Pause the video now and take a few moments to write out your answer to that portion and resume once you're finished. Now, whenever you catch yourself being judgmental about your unwanted trait in the future, first notice the pain that your self-judgment causes and give yourself some compassion. Then try to reframe your inner dialogue so it's more encouraging and more supportive.